Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. So, you all must have studied about nouns. So, do you know we can change the number of noun from one to many with the help of some magic? Do you want to know that magic? Now, what is the magic? There are some rules, right? To change noun from singular to plural. So, as we have studied, what is a noun? It's the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. So, what sort of magic we should do to make it many? Let's see. So, numbers. What do you say? Noun numbers means the number of the noun you can change from one to many. So, what is a noun, children? A noun that stands for only one person, animal, place, or a thing is said to be in singular number. It means when you're talking about only one thing, it means it's a singular number. Like boy, bird, apple. A noun that stands for more than one person, animal, place, or thing is said to be in the plural number. Example, boys, birds, apples. So what we did here? We added S. That's the magic we created, right? So we just added S and it became many, right? See here, boy, boys, bird, birds, apple, apples. So when there is no S, it's a singular number. And when S is added, it becomes a plural number. Now there are certain rules. You cannot add S to every singular number and make it plural. Now what are the rules? First rule. First rule says just simply add S to any noun to make it plural. So how can you make any noun plural? Just by simply adding S at the end. See here, like book, books, pencil, pencils, kite, kites, bag, bags. So you can see here we have just added S to make it plural. Now rule 2. It says add ES to nouns ending in S, Z, CH, X, TCH, O, double S and SH. See here, children, it will make it clear. So it says add ES to make nouns plural that end with S. Okay, you can see here bus. So the last word is S. So the words which are ending in S, how can we make them plural? By adding ES. The words which are ending in X, how we will make them plural? By adding ES. Same goes with CH words, SH words. So you can see the words which are ending in CH and SH, to make them plural, you need to add ES. Third rule, it says when a noun ends with a consonant and Y, change Y to I and add ES. So add IES to make nouns plural that end with a consonant and a Y, like lady. You can see here the last word is Y, so you have to convert Y to I and add ES in the end. So all the words which are ending in Y, you have to convert Y to I and add es in the end to make them plural. Now the fourth rule says when a noun ends with F or FE, right? So you add VES to make it plural. Some nouns that end in F or FE change to VES when made plural. You can see here. See, this word is ending in F and the next word is ending in FE. So the words which are ending in F and FE, we make them plural by removing F and FE and adding VES in the end. Some nouns that end in O change to ES when made plural and some change to S. Like kangaroo, kangaroos. Now you can see here it is ending in O, right? So when you are making it plural, you have to add just S to it. But here you can see this potato is ending in O, but you are adding ES to it. Why, children? Why it is so? Because if last word is O and before O, if there is a consonant, you add ES to it. But before O, if there is a vowel, you just add S to it to make it plural. See here, the sheep is coming. Okay, some nouns do not change at all when made plural. Now, what are these? Which type of nouns are these? Like sheep, its plural is sheep. Deer, its plural is deer. Now some nouns become a new word when made plural. Like man, men. Goose, geese. You can see here, okay, the vowel A has changed to vowel E. Goose. Double O has changed to double E. No singular. Now some plurals have no singular forms. Like glasses. You never say as glass. Because it's in a pair, you call it as glasses. So there is no plural form of this. Same goes with jeans. As you can see, it's in a pair. So we don't say it as jean. It is jeans. Oats. Okay. Now this is the exercise. Tell me the plural of this. Donkey. Yes, good. Donkeys. Thief. So the answer will be thieves. Fox. So the answer will be foxes. Potato. So the answer will be potatoes. So I hope, children, how to change the noun number from one to many, right? That is clear to you. There are few nouns whose number don't change, right? You need to follow those rules, right? The rules which I have just told you when you are changing the number of noun from singular to plural. Thank you, children.